Welcome back to the programme now. The authorities in Pakistan are facing tough questions after an outbreak of HIV in the south of the country. More than 700 cases have been reported since April, with two-thirds involving children. In a further twist, the children's parents are HIV negative. The BBC's Umar Nangiana travelled to the town of Ratodero, the centre of this outbreak.
She's just lost her youngest son. Muzammil Ali was only 5. He tested positive for HIV just over a month ago. He'd been sick for 3 years. Nawab Khatun had never heard of the deadly infection. She blames the local health system for his untimely death.
A local doctor gave my child an injection and he never recovered from it. We took him to a government treatment center, but they refused to help. My child was in a lot of pain and I was helpless.
Her son was one of more than 600 children, most of them under 5, who have been diagnosed with HIV in Ratodero in the last few weeks alone. Most of the HIV cases from this recent outbreak are in this village and similar ones in the area. People here say poor medical facilities force them to go to private practitioners in the nearby town of Ratodero. Health officials tell us not all the doctors are qualified, and of those who are, their practices have never been checked. A private doctor first discovered the virus in children and alerted the authorities.
I first identified an HIV case here, and then within 2 weeks, I discovered 20 more. That is when I alerted the officials concerned.
Health authorities have started mass screenings. The government say the local medical practitioners reusing syringes could be responsible for the spread. But the cause of this highly unusual outbreak is yet to be conclusively identified.
Syringe is the major source, more than 50%. But there are certain other reasons also, which will come on surface after due investigation. This is our first time came on surface that by the reuse of the syringes, a grand population has been infected by the reusing of the syringes. So now onwards, we are on it.
There are fears the number of infected patients may further rise, and people here say they are not receiving the care they need. The government denies allegations of its center returning patients. As uncertainty and fear grips this poor rural community, the race is on to identify the cause of the outbreak and to protect its children. Umar Nangiana, BBC News, Ratodero, Southern Pakistan.